name's Tobias, and this is my 2023 Chevy Colorado. Prior to this vehicle, I had a 2014 Chevy Silverado 1500. I saw the vehicle pretty early on when they had done the redesign, and based on everything exterior-wise and then adding a lot of features interior, it was just something I really wanted to go for. I remember seeing it for the first time, being my first new vehicle. The body lines on the truck, the size of the truck, the height of the truck, I loved it from the moment I saw it. Usually everything's very package oriented, meaning that you have to select a package where you maybe get some stuff you didn't want. With this, there's so many different ways that you can option out these trucks. I was able to get everything I wanted and leave out some things that I really just didn't use. I went with one of their product specialists, and they will take as much time as you need to go through that vehicle and make sure that everything is super simple. I believe they understand it's an investment as much as we understand that it is an investment. I'm a sunroof guy, so I love the sunroof. I have it open all the time. One other thing I absolutely love is my heated seats. Being up here in Iowa, the winters are terrible, and just having a warm tush is nice. Another thing that I really love about the truck is the motor. It's got the 2.7 liter high output. With this truck, I've noticed that getting on the interstate is very comfortable. I've definitely tested the four-wheel drive. I've had it through a couple of cornfields, and overall, the truck performs just incredibly well. From pulling onto the cornfield to go maybe look for some raccoons or some coyotes to driving it straight back on the cement, the truck just drives smooth, and I love it a lot. I love my new Colorado. It's been a great truck for me. I hope that anyone out there that's been on the edge about ordering their trucks, about maybe seeing one of these trucks, really gets the opportunity to. I hope you guys come out and see them.